Very good shot. Very good shot. It's a huge, marvelous shot. It's another one. Another one. It's a knocker. Another good shot from Star Boys. 15. It's another one. Another 4 run. Another massive strike from Star Boys Star Boys team. Another good shot from Rahul Udayapuram. Another good shot from Star Boys team. Single run remaining in the second over. Wide. It's a huge, tremendous 6 from the Star Boys. Another good shot from Star Boys players. Another good shot. It's maybe it's a 4. Umpire called it's a 4. It's a wide ball. Umpire called. It's a run out. Final over. It's a huge 6. One more shot to the leg side. One more run to the total 8. Yeah. Another good delivery. Good shot to leg side. It's a misfield from bowler side. Another run. Hey. It's an out. A huge shot which is going to far away from another huge shot. It's a good fielding in the deep. Good fielding in the deep. Another good shot, strike to the fielder.
അഞ്ചില് 16 ജയിക്ക 6.
Another 6. 9 റൺ.
3 ബോളിൽ 10.
2 ബോളിൽ നിന്നും 10 റൺ.
സിക്സ്.
Is an out.